The nature of heaven. A man opens the door of his home. Long day, honey, his wife asks. Yeah, it wore me out. How was your day? The man replies. It was good. A bit lonely but not so bad since you are here now, the wife replies. I am going to lay down for a bit, then we can read together, the man says. Okay, just try not to sleep for too long, the woman exclaims. The man goes upstairs to his room and lays on his bed in his work clothes. The man closes his eyes. When the man wakes up, he finds himself in a tunnel with a blinding light. Follow me, a voice calls from the tunnel. The man follows the voice. As the man continues down the hallway, he begins to see doors to rooms with names on them. He sees his name on one of the doors. He opens the door and sees furniture in a bookcase. The bookcase has his name on it. The man reads the table of contents and flips to the chapter titled Souls Saved. As he reads, he sees many of the people he has affected positively in his life. Is my boss's name in here? The man thinks to himself. He looks up the boss name and finds it. He then exits his room and goes down the hallway and sees the name of his boss on a plaque above one of the doors. The man sits down next to the boss door and reads the rest of his book. As he flips to the last page of the book, he sees the recording of his conversation with his wife before he went to sleep. The last page of the book says, "To be continued." He breaks down crying as he did not realize how his life affected others so much. Honey, are you okay? His wife asks as she nudges him to wake up. The man wakes up in tears. I didn't know that my life was worth anything until I saw that book, the man exclaimed.